Today we are going to talk about operators using QBasic. Let's see what are the operators we have here. So what are operators? Operators are the symbols used for calculation. Can be plus, minus, multiplication, division, and so on, greater than, etc. We have different types of operators here: arithmetic, relation, logical operators, string operator, etc. Now let's see first what is arithmetic operator. So arithmetic operator is that operator which is used for arithmetical calculation. Okay, simply we can say addition, subtraction, multiplication, finding power, etc. So here are the types. So this is for the power finding, that's called exponential operator, and for that we use this caret symbol of our arrow. Slash, it is for the division. Simply we'll write the border later on. If we divide 10 by 3, then we get the 3.30. Next is a backslash. So it is also division. Arithmetic operator, it gives us 1. It is a value. Like when we divide 10 by 3, then we get the 3. Asterisk, it is for multiplication to find the product of two or more numbers. Like 10 into 3 gives us 30. Next is a plus, simply for addition. Minus for subtraction. More to find the remainder. Mostly in decision making conditions we have to use mod. Okay, and here is a hierarchy. Almost we follow the parenthetical rule there. As first we have to go for the parenthesis, and it goes for the exponential operator, then division, then the multiplication, then addition and subtraction. Let's see this arithmetic operator through example. Going to run it now. Here is output: sum 53, difference 7, 30 minus 23, then the product, and that is 690. Next is a integer quotient. Now when 30 is divided with 23, it gives us 1. Yes, means only one time it goes there. The next is a quotient, and that is a divided with gives 1.304348. And next is remainder, a divided by b, so it gives us remainder 7, and the square of a, that is 30. 30 into 30, that is 900. So this is how we go for the arithmetic operator, nothing more than. I hope you saw this one. Okay, thank you. Just hit the subscribe button, put your comments, and just ask anything.